Hello Cancer, hope you're doing well. Thank you for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, let's take a look at your romantic love life for this week of May 2024. Tingnan natin ang romantic intention ng inyong new person or person that you're currently dealing with or a returning person sa buhay mo. Let's see what's happening or what will happen this week. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you, Cancer. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. For Cancer. Cancer, love situation, love energies. Time. I'm afraid it's too late to take action. Okay? Merong pagsisisi na nangyari and your person wants to come back to you. To improve things, to change things. Para mas makakabuti sa inyong relationship. Okay? Nagbago na siya. Gusto niyang ayusin yung relasyon ninyo. Okay? Siguro may na-realize ang inyong partner or yung person ninyo about sa mga hindi magandang nangyari sa naging reaction niya or attitude niya sa inyong pag-uusap. Okay? Merong hindi pagkaintindihan na nangyari before and now gusto niyang ayusin yon. Habits. I don't know if we will ever change. Okay. He or she is aware sa relationship nyo, okay? Na kailangan magkaroon ng pag-aayos, okay? Ibalik yung dating sigla ng relationship. Okay? For some of you, nawawalan ng pag-asa. Kayo o yung partner ninyo nawawalan ng pag-asa about sa relationship ninyo. May pagbabago pa ba na mangyari? May improvement ba? Magiging kayo pa ba? Something like that, okay? Soul contract. The lessons I learned from us will never be forgotten. Okay? Yung person ninyo nagkaroon ng impact sa inyo, okay? Yung mga lessons na natutunan ninyo, marami kayong natutunan sa relasyon ninyo, even sa personality or sa character ng inyong person. Now you know what you want. Cancer. Marami siyang natutunan or marami kang natutunan sa kanya, Cancer. Okay? Now you know how to deal with another person. Alin ang dapat i-improve. Okay? Ano yung mga kailangan baguhin within yourself? O paano ka makipag-compromise sa ibang tao or sa person mo, okay? Holding back. I should have expressed myself better, okay? So, merong panghihinayang, okay? Sa parte ng inyong person, okay? Merong panghihinayang sa kanya. Siguro nanghinayang siya dahil hindi niya nasabi kung ano yung naging problema niya sa relasyon ninyo. Okay? Hindi niya na-express or na-communicate kung anong gusto niyang mangyari sa inyong dalawa. And baka yun yung naging dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng separation. Or kung bakit nagkaroon ng problema ang inyong relationship, okay? Let's see. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages for Cancer. Messages for Cancer, please. Your person wants to come forward with you. He wants things to move forward with you, Cancer. Okay? Gusto niyang baguhin kung ano, he wants to make things right with you, Cancer. Okay? He or she is very determined na makuha ka uli. Okay? May mga ambisyon siya para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Okay. Gusto niyang mag-usap kayong dalawa. Okay? After some time na na-realize na ang kanyang mga pagkukulang, kung ano yung mga mali sa nagawa niya. Okay? Kung anong mali sa inyong relationship. After niya na-realize yun, gusto niya makipag-usap sa'yo, Cancer. Okay? So, nagkaroon ng chance yung taong ito na ma-realize kung ano yung naging problema sa kanya. Okay? He or she wants to save the relationship, Cancer. Okay? So, yung tao nito, mahal ka niya. Kasi kung hindi ka niya mahal, hindi na yan mag-waste ng time or mag-take time para tingnan pa kung ano yung naging problema at magkaroon ng lakas ng loob para balikan ka, okay? Or para habulin ka uli. Okay? So, gusto niya talaga i-save yung relationship ninyo. He or she wants to improve what you have. Okay? What you both have in the relationship. Pinapakita niya na ngayon ay kaya na niya kung nagkaroon man ng problema financially na parang dati hindi niya kaya. Hindi niya kaya i-sustain ang inyong relationship. Now, may mga paraan na siya, may ways na siya, nag-improve na siya, okay? At gusto niyang ipakita yan sa'yo, na he is or she is capable of your love. Okay? Na-miss mo din to yung tao na to, Cancer. Okay? Talagang mahal mo yung tao at nung nawala siya, talagang iba yung impact sa'yo. Okay? Parang nawalan ka na ng gana sa trabaho mo or sa ginagawa mo. Parang siya lagi yung nasa isip mo. Nang hinayang ka din. Okay? Okay? So, nag-wish ka na sana naging okay na lang kayo. Okay? Na hindi mo na naging okay ka sa kanya. Yeah. Okay. So, you need to forgive kung ano man yung mistake or yung kawalan ng ex mo or yun ng person mo. Okay? You need to forgive. You need to heal. Cancer. You have to let go kung ano man yung past mistakes, okay? And learn from the lesson, focus on the lesson, and improve the relationship. Okay. So your partner wants to have a new beginning with you, okay? Gusto niya na mag-grow ang relationship ninyong dalawa. Gusto niyang patawarin mo siya. Okay? You love this person, Cancer, and you need to forgive him or her. Okay? Aminin mo, mahal mo rin yung taong na to. Hindi ka rin, kumbaga lagi mo siyang nasa isip. Parang hindi ka, you're not happy without this person. Okay, Cancer? Na-realize ng partner mo yung mga pagkakamali and now he wants to improve things between you two. Okay? Marami siyang pangarap sa inyong dalawa. Okay? He or she wants to have a stable life with you and have and build a house para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Kung dati he or she doesn't have enough, but now kaya niya na. Gusto niyang ipakita sa iyo na kaya kanyang buhayin. Okay? Kaya niya i-sustain ang inyong relationship. Okay? Financially and emotionally, he is ready. He or she is ready. You just need to forgive him or her. Forget the past, but not the lesson. Okay? Promising ang inyong relationship, Cancer. You just have to move on and accept him or her again. Okay? Baka pwede mong subukan uli. Obserbahan or tingnan mo kung nagbago or hindi. Give another chance, Cancer. Okay? I think this person deserves another chance. Wala akong nakikitang nakikita ko sa kanya na nagsisi siya. Okay? Gusto niya baguhin ang kanyang pagkakamali. Meron siyang gustong patunayan sa'yo na kaya niya buhayin ang inyong relationship. Kaya kanyang buhayin. Okay? He or she can provide. Okay? Gusto niya ng new beginning with you. Cancer, okay? Bottom of the deck, overall energy, the Hangman. Okay? Talagang iniisip mo din siya. You are dreaming things or thinking about improvement about sa relationship ninyo. Okay? Nagkaroon ng break. For the meantime, nakapag-isip-isip. Your person is really thinking how to get you back again, okay? Or how to get you back. Okay? Willing siya mag-sacrifice para sa'yo, Cancer. Okay? Willing siya mag-take ng risk, ng chance para makuha ka lang ulit, Cancer. Okay? Mahal ka ng taong ito. Tingnan natin kung ano yung gustong sabihin or hidden messages from your person. Hidden messages from your person. Yung gustong sabihin ng person mo sa'yo. I hid who I really am from you. Okay? You came closer than anyone. I cannot stop thinking about you. Huh? So, kung naiisip mo siya, Cancer, siya ganun din. Okay? I am afraid to contact you. I am not available. Okay? Just being near you is intoxicating. Okay? He or she feels good pag nandyan ka. Okay? I am not available. Siguro that time, okay? At nung hindi siya available nung mga time na kailangan mo siya. Okay? Cancer. Siguro nagkaroon ng time na kumonta ka or nakipag-communicate ka sa kanya. But then, hindi niya nasagot. Maybe this person busy, okay? So, yun lang yung message sa'yo, Cancer. Bigyan mo ng chance. Baka pwede nyo bigyan ng chance yung taong ito. Pag-isipan nyo ng mabuti, okay? Nasa inyo, Cancer, okay? On what you're going to do about this. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you on the next video. Bye.